What is BBA really about? It's not just lectures, not just assignments. It's doubt turning into clarity, risk becoming ideas. It's where we stop second guessing and start leading.
Here, in our BBA curriculum, the focus is on both theoretical learning and industrial exposure in areas like marketing, finance, analytics, and human resource.
Marketing isn't just ads and promotion, it's creativity, it's psychology, it's knowing what people want before they do. Because in the end, it's not about selling a product, it's about creating a story people believe in.
Along with studies and academics, we also have industrial visits, which helps gain students industrial exposure. This experience helps them to create confidence, skills, and industrial readiness.
MIT isn't just a university, it's where we grow, learn and transform, where mentors guides us and skills turns into strength. At MIT Vishwaprayaag University, we don't just earn a degree, we build ourselves for the real world. Some places give education, but this place gives us an identity, and this is just the beginning.